My name is Gary Manley. I live in London, Ontario, and I've made a system that puts a light on when my garage door is open. Many years ago I had left the door open all night long, and I do not want that to happen again. I made a little mock setup here of how it works. That is the wall going into my house above the garage door, to give you a little idea how it is. This is an AC adapter used to charge electrical equipment. It's putting out 9 volts DC, the kind of power you have in your car or you get from a battery. You can touch it, it doesn't really cause you much problem. So I've cut the end off the wire. I've spliced it onto a wire going into one side of the bulb, and the other side goes down to this magnetic reed switch, which is screwed onto a beam near where my door, the garage door, parks. The other part of the system is this magnet. It's attached to the garage door, and when it comes near the reed switch, it lets the power pass through to turn on the light. And when it shuts down again, it goes off. The nice thing about this is it's a 12 volt light getting 9 volts or less, I believe. 9 volts doesn't go all the way through. So you can use any kind of wire on it because there's no chance of getting a shock or hurt. I used some electric train wire I had around the house. And if you want to use a different bulb, you can test it if you've got a 9 volt battery by touching your bulb connections to the either side of the battery. There's a big light and there is a smaller 12 volt light, so you can take your choice of what kind of light you want. The nice thing about this is it is not really an electrician's job. It's an any day everybody can do it type of job, because there's nothing really harmful in this. You just got to find an adapter that's putting out 9 volts, or you can try lesser power if you've got those. It just needs to light the bulb up. And this little switch here is about $10 to buy in a store. So it's a very simple way of giving yourself some added security.